So on this drawing we're going to draw an arm in 2D and then convert it to 3D. This arm welds on to the kingpin bracket. So when I draw I pick a line, pick on the screen. You'll notice I haven't got ortho on, so I'll turn ortho on F8, and the arm length is 133. Enter, enter. Notice how it goes off the screen. So I type in Z, enter, E, enter. With my mouse just zoom out a bit, pen down, carry on drawing, line from that end point. I'll come up 25, enter, back 133, and to that end point, enter, enter to finish. Now if I draw a line, this has a end here of 70 degrees, so I'm going to start the line there, and I'm going to type in the shift at, in other words from that point I'll put a distance in, let's say 45 mil, and then use the less than symbol to convert it to an angle, type in 70, hit enter, enter to finish. So it's drawn a line that long at 70 degrees, and I can use the trim command, pick on trim, right hand click in the black, or the white in this case, pick on the objects I want to trim off, escape, erase that line. Now at this end here I want to do some filleting, so I pick on fillet, for radius, and the radius is going to be 12 mil. Enter. So I pick on the first line for fillet, the second line for fillet, pick on fillet again, pick on the first line to fillet, second line to fillet. It's got a little flat in there, but that's good. Escape. So now I'm going to draw a circle. Problem is that I want to draw a circle from the midpoint there, so hopefully I've got O tracking, and I want to come in here 12.5 mil. So that's the O tracking center of the circle, and the radius of that is 5 mil, so type in 5. Now what I want to do is join all of those and then turn it into a 3D. So I type in join, enter, and I'll select those objects and those objects, enter, and in the view, 3D views, I'll go to southwest isometric, zoom out a bit, and then go to 3D modeling, and in 3D modeling here I can extrude by picking on that object, enter, and I'll come up. I'll fix this, it's 5 mil bar, so 5 mil, and I need to push pull that hole through there. So if I go to push pull, I'll have to rotate that, okay, rotate so I can get to that object which is the hole. Now push pull, inside the circle, come up, enter, escape. If I viewed, the view style is X-ray, and then rotate, you'll see there I've drawn this steering arm. So now I'll save that.